Hi, this is Michaela, and I will be singing Whiskey Lullaby by Brad Paisley and Alison Krauss. Here I go. Broker's heart. Spent his whole life trying to forget, and going away a little at a time. But he never could get drunk enough. Life is strong, but this time it was for me. And the strength they had to get up off. And then with their face down too low. Those are afraid till I die. Then they will beat him beneath the willow. We sang a whiskey lullaby. La 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 trying to drag that pain away a little at a time. But you never could get drunk enough to give him my feeling until the night. That bar to her head, goes the sugar. Then drank away her memory. Life is short, if you find it was the goal. And the strength she had to get up off her knees. Rather with her face down in the pillow. These were the circles of life. Smooth over and beneath the willow. For the angel sang me whiskey lullaby. La 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 la. Thank you for listening. Oh, sorry. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked it. Bye.